Hydrogen, the very first element. It built the stars and the universe. Helium, lighter than air. It lifts balloons and powers the sun. Lithium, it powers your phone. It also helps calm the human mind. Beryllium, strong and incredibly light. Spacecraft trust this element. Boron, it makes glass harder. It quietly lives in your kitchen, too. Carbon, the element of life itself. Every living thing is built on carbon. Nitrogen, it makes up most of the air around you. Invisible, but absolutely essential. Oxygen, every single breath you take, this element is keeping you alive right now. Fluorine, the most reactive element on the entire table. And yes, it is in your toothpaste. Neon, it glows in bright colors when electricity passes through it, the light of late nights. Sodium, half of ordinary table salt. Your nerves use it to send signals. Magnesium, it burns with a blinding white light. It also helps your muscles relax. Aluminum, light, strong, and everywhere around us. Your soda can is made of this. Silicon, the foundation of modern technology. Every computer chip runs on silicon. Phosphorus, it can glow in the dark. It is present in every single cell in your body. Sulfur, it smells like rotten eggs. Volcanoes breathe it out into the sky. Chlorine, it keeps swimming pools clean. Handled poorly, it becomes very dangerous. Argon, quiet, stable, almost invisible. It fills the space inside light bulbs. Potassium, your heart needs it to keep beating. Bananas are full of potassium. Calcium, it builds your bones and your teeth. Your body holds more of this than anything else. Scandium, rare and wonderfully light, used to build strong sports equipment. Titanium, incredibly strong and yet lightweight. Surgeons place it inside your body. Vanadium, it makes steel significantly tougher, found deep inside certain crude oils. Chromium, it gives stainless steel its shine. It resists rust beautifully and effortlessly. Manganese, your brain needs tiny amounts of this. Steel factories use much, much more. Iron, the core of the earth is made of iron, and so is your blood. Cobalt, deep blue pigments come from cobalt. So do modern rechargeable batteries. Nickel, found in many coins around the world, also deep inside the Earth's core. Copper, humans have used it for thousands of years. Every wire inside your walls carries it. Zinc, it helps wounds heal. It coats metal to prevent rust. Quiet, but essential. Gallium, it melts in the palm of your hand. Its melting point is just above room temperature. Germanium, early transistors were built with this. It helped spark the entire digital age. Arsenic, toxic and infamous, used historically in medicines and, darker still, in murders. Selenium, in tiny amounts, your body truly needs it. In large amounts, it becomes toxic. Bromine, one of only 2 elements liquid at room temperature. Its vapor stings the eyes. Krypton, not just a fictional planet, it glows with a pale and eerie white-green light. Rubidium, soft, silvery, and it ignites in open air, used in the world's atomic clocks. Strontium, it burns with a vivid red flame. Fireworks use this for their brilliant red color. Yttrium, you have seen it many times without realizing. It makes TV screens glow white. Zirconium, extremely resistant to heat. Nuclear reactors use it as a protective barrier. Niobium, used in jet engines soaring above you. It keeps steel strong at extreme temperatures. Molybdenum, it dramatically raises the melting point of steel, found in the strongest industrial alloys. Technetium, the first element ever made entirely by humans. It does not occur naturally on Earth. Ruthenium, rare, hard, and exceptionally durable. It extends the life of electrical contacts. Rhodium, one of the rarest and most expensive metals on Earth. Your car uses it to clean exhaust. Palladium, it can absorb enormous amounts of hydrogen. Jewelry makers love its pale silver shine. Silver, shiny, beautifully conductive, and timeless. Humans have used it as money for millennia. Cadmium, toxic to the human body, still found inside certain older rechargeable batteries. Indium, soft and surprisingly rare. It coats the touchscreen you tap every single day. Tin. Ancient civilizations made bronze with it. It still coats your food cans today. Antimony. Used in ancient Egypt as black eye makeup, now mostly found in flame retardants. Tellurium. Touch it and it gives off a faint garlic scent, used in modern solar panels. Iodine. Your thyroid needs it to function properly. It also disinfects cuts and wounds. Xenon. Used in powerful camera flashes, also used to put patients to sleep before surgery. Platinum. Rare, beautiful, and enduring, also silently working inside your car's exhaust system. Gold. Humans have desired this for all of recorded history. It never rusts, not even once. Mercury. The only metal liquid at room temperature, once used in thermometers around the world. Cesium. The world's most accurate atomic clocks rely on cesium. Your GPS depends on cesium. Cerium. The most plentiful rare earth element. It polishes glass and adds color to ceramics. Uranium. The heaviest naturally occurring element on Earth. It powers nuclear reactors across the planet. Plutonium. Intensely radioactive and very dangerous, used in nuclear weapons and space probe power. Thulium. Rare and expensive to extract, can be used in lightweight portable X-ray machines. Tungsten. Has the highest melting point of any metal. Light bulb filaments are made of pure tungsten. Thallium. Highly toxic to human beings, used as rat poison and also in certain heart imaging scans. Lead. Heavy and dull gray, once used in paint and water pipes, now known to cause serious harm. Praseodymium. Its name means green twin. It helps create powerful magnets used in electric motors. Neodymium. The tiny magnets in your earbuds are made from this, incredibly powerful for their size. Europium. It creates the red and blue glow in your screens, named after the continent of Europe. Dysprosium. Essential to electric car motors around the world. Demand for it is rising fast. Holmium. Has the most powerful magnetic properties of any element, used in precise medical lasers. Erbium. It amplifies signals inside fiber optic cables. It helps keep the internet moving forward. Ytterbium. Used in the most precise atomic clocks ever built, even more accurate than cesium. Bismuth. Forms stunning rainbow-colored crystals, found in stomach medicine like Pepto-Bismol. Radon. A radioactive gas that seeps silently from the ground. It can collect in basements unseen. Radium. It glows faintly in the dark on its own, once painted on watch dials, quietly deadly. Actinium. Softly glowing and intensely radioactive, used in cutting-edge cancer treatment research. Tantalum. Found inside your smartphone right now. It makes electrical capacitors smaller and better. Osmium. The densest naturally occurring element on Earth, harder than nearly anything else.